Hi, argument opinion writers. How are you doing? Hopefully you had a good brain break. For writing today, you're going to work with your desk group, so A, B, C, D, or E. And what you're going to do is you're all going to read through. We have some sample writing here. So we have a third grade. We have two samples from third grade. So one says third grade. Here, maybe I'll bold this. One says third grade sample 1, the other one third grade sample 2, fourth grade sample 1, fourth grade sample 2, and then one sample from fifth grade. Okay, so that's a total of 5 different writing samples from third, fourth, and fifth grade. So these are the expectations of third grade, fourth grade, and fifth grade opinion writing. And this is what you're going to do with your team. You're going to read through these and you're going to try and figure out what makes a fourth grade writing different from a third grade writing, different from a fifth grade writing. Look at the openings. Look at the first paragraphs, the leads. How are they different? How are they the same? So what do they have in common? What do they not have in common? What makes the difference? Don't just say, oh, it's longer. Yes, length is, when we're writing and then the volume that we're doing, the older you get, the more you should be able to write. That's in 45 minutes. That's not the point. More so, it's the craft. How does it sound? What's different about it? How are the paragraphs organized? What kind of words are they using? What kind of transitions are they using? Remember, transitions are at the beginning of the paragraph. How do they end their paragraphs? How do they start them? Can you tell? Can you figure out what the differences are? And so after you all work together, write down what you believe the differences are between grade levels in your writing notebook. And you're all going to turn in your writing notebooks so I can see what your ideas and thoughts are about this topic. I think I've explained it all. So each one of you will get a copy, read through them, okay? Keep these too as you're working, so keep these. These are yours to keep. It's only a waste of paper if you throw it out or don't use it. So it's on you. It's on you. So with your team, read through these, talk to each other. How are they similar? How are they different? What is the difference between a third, a fourth, and a fifth grade level writing? What are the expectations? Have fun. See you.